Hey everyone, I'm going to continue on our rebuild series where I attempt to rebuild existing products as Chrome extensions. Today I'm taking up Pretty Prompt. What Pretty Prompt does is it turns a text into perfect prompts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select deep mode, and then I want an extension that takes in the input in a ChatGPT input bar and then has a icon that on click converts the input text into a more detailed prompt. This is done via using an LLM. You can use Gemini 3.7 Flash model, and the user will be providing the API key. Keep the API key behind the settings, and then also give another button on the same input box, which on click should take in the text in the input box and ask a series of relevant questions which will be answered in multiple choice by the user. And then when the user hits submit, the text in the input box along with the question and answers that the user has submitted is sent to again Gemini 3.7 Flash model to produce a higher quality prompt, which is again pasted in the input box. So this is a little bit more detailed prompt. So what I'll do is I'll go into plan mode first for this. Let's see how it works. First, for this generally I'll not go into the plan mode, but when it comes to slightly more complicated extensions, it's advisable to go in for the plan mode. PlugThis builds out a detailed plan for building out this extension. So we just wait and let it finish. You can see here both the core features of the extension. Feature A, enhance prompt button. Feature B, it's QA refinement flow. Feature C is the settings page. And so let's see if it's all done. Side panel is good. So we can go in for two sort of builds. Very large plans go in for phase build. If not, just hit accept and build. So it will take another minute or two for this to complete. We just need to wait. So it's already in process. Let's see. The extension is ready. I just want to make sure that please keep Gemini key behind. I don't want it on the front. We can keep it in the settings. And if you are going to ship this extension to the Chrome Web Store, leave in a comment and I'll explain how to make sure that your key is protected, and you'll be even able to charge users on credit basis and build a product like Pretty Prompt yourself. The extension is now ready. Let's just go download, choose a folder. I'm going to call it Prompt Forge. It's called ChatGPT Prompt. I'm just calling it Prompt Forge. Install it. All the extensions that are getting rebuilt are available in the rebuild index on PlugThis.ai. You can see we have identified about 83 Chrome extensions which we can rebuild using PlugThis. So let's just wait. The installation is done. Clear, load unpacked, Prompt Forge. Okay, got it. Now what do? I just click on this. Let me come to another page, open the extension, and just refresh it. It's taking a little longer time. Yeah, it's there. So I'm gonna copy my Gemini API key, save and test. So this model Gemini 2 for Flash. Okay, I'll just inform. Please use Gemini Flash 3.7 model and not 2.0 Flash. We'll just wait for this change to happen. We have updated the model. It just took a minute. So I'll just update extension. We don't have to change anything for this to happen. The folder is already selected. We just hit update extension. And once the extension is updated, we just come here, hit update. These errors you can just clear, refresh, come back. Let me just refresh this page so that the extension has access to this page. 1 second. Yeah. There's an automated test going on to check the validity of our API key. Yes, the API key is valid. Now let's open ChatGPT. You'll see the enhanced button in the input bar. Okay. Sales plan. Okay. No. you will button in the input bar. Okay, I'm not seeing the enhance button. I will just go and say this. It's very simple. Screenshot this, paste it. I am not seeing the enhance button in the input bar. Please fix it. That's it. Whenever we hit a trouble, all you have to do is just screenshot, paste it, and ask PlugThis to take care of it. Now PlugThis tells us these changes have been incorporated. We have to just update the extension. You can see the extension is now updated. We just come, refresh the extension, go, you can just clear the errors. Because the page is not loaded, that's why the error is there. Let's just open our side panel, refresh the page. Now, okay, here is the thing. You have two new buttons here. One is called Enhance, another is called Ask. Let me just click on Enhance. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna again select it and write sales plan and ask, generating a series of questions. What is the time horizons here? What is the current B2B? What is the primary goal of scaling revenue? Detailed KPI tactics, submit. So all the input that we have provided along with these questions which have been generated according to the input we have provided is also ready. See, B2B strategist, 1 year, that is what we selected. Such a beautiful, lovely prompt is just ready, and all you have to do is just now go ahead and actually make whatever changes you want to this particular extension. You can ask it to work on Claude, you can ask it to work on Perplexity. All these are easy. Second thing you can also do is you can expand this extension to make sure you have prompt libraries. Maybe if you can actually add a super base backend and then publish these prompts and share it with your team as well. That is also quite possible. Maintain prompt versions, etc. So much can be done. You're only limited by your imagination. Just go to town. If you had an idea that you wanted to build as a Chrome extension, this is the time. Go ahead, and if you're stuck anywhere, please reach out to me. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.